At first glance, freelancing can seem like a dream come true. Choosing your own hours, working on something new every other week, not having to leave your couch. What job could be better? Freelancing can be an exciting, rewarding, and uniquely flexible career choice, but like any job, it has its downsides. Knowing how the industry works before quitting your job and jumping into full-time freelancing is essential. Freelancing is an incredibly exciting endeavour, and as a relatively new area in the world of work, it can be difficult to inform yourself on how it all works. Freelancers are self-employed workers who are hired by clients to provide specific services, usually on a short-term contract basis. The biggest difference between working as a freelancer and a full-time employee is flexibility. As a freelancer, you decide who you work for, what projects you accept, where you work, and what your schedule will be like. Freelancing is a viable career option for anyone with a computer, internet connection, and space to work. If you're a self-starter who likes to control your daily work, then freelancing could be the perfect choice for you. When working as a full-time employee for a company, you answer to someone above you and work according to deadlines and goals set by them. This relationship changes with freelancing. While your client is paying you, they aren't your boss. A client often won't know how long it will take you to complete the work they're asking of you. It's up to you to set a deadline you know works for you. Your client will have goals for you, but these goals will be much more negotiable than those set in a traditional employer-employee setting. The following are the most popular areas in which to become a freelancer, and some of the jobs within those areas. Programming. This section can be broken down into two categories: software and web development. With all programming jobs, finding your niche is a good way to build up a portfolio. If you're particularly strong in one programming language or at creating specific products, focus on that. This will help you to build a name as a specialist and allow you to improve one skill to a very high level rather than being just another freelancer who does a bit of everything. Writing. Content writing, like blogs and articles, copywriting, like product descriptions and website page content, and technical writing, like user manuals and reports, are the most popular styles of writing for which freelancers are hired. A lot of freelance writers write similar pieces for the same clients on a regular basis. For example, writing a monthly article for an online publication. Graphic design. As a lot of companies use freelancers for marketing and advertising work, the majority of freelance graphic design work involves designing advertisements and websites. When working as a freelance designer, it's important to learn how clients communicate visual ideas using words. Otherwise, you could spend a lot of time on unsatisfactory first drafts. Administration. Virtual assistants have grown very popular in recent years, as much of an assistant's work is now done online or over the phone. Administration jobs such as social media and website managers are also very popular. These freelancers are experts on a company's products and answer any questions that consumers post on their online media, as well as posting regular content such as blog posts. Video editing. As video sites like YouTube and Vimeo have soared in popularity, almost all social media platforms have added a video element in order to capitalize on this success. If you're interested in becoming a freelance video editor, this is great news. Freelance video editing will feature a lot more work on small-scale projects than in-house work, so don't expect to be working on big-budget films or TV shows anytime soon. Marketing. Social media management and copywriting also fall into this category. Of course, there are a wide variety of freelance marketing jobs. Marketing has changed dramatically in the last few years, from outbound, the company reaching out to the consumer, to inbound, the consumer reaching out to the company. This means that a lot of marketing work now focuses on making information on a product available, so a consumer can access it when they're researching a potential purchase.